Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips. Drink a cup of this before bed. You will be surprised with the result when waking up. There are currently many complementary methods that can help improve the effects of diet to lose weight. Although not miraculous recipes or similar diets, some preparations may be useful in stimulating metabolic activity. One of the most popular alternatives is the delicious fruit and vegetable smoothies that can easily be included in the diet. In fact, it is low-calorie drinks that prolong the feeling of fullness while increasing energy consumption and eliminating toxins. The long, pale green fibrous stalks of celery make for a refreshing addition to a chopped salad as well as a low-calorie snack. Blending the stalks with fresh water will make a fiber-rich juice that is filling and healthy, making it ideal for a weight loss plan. Today we would like to recommend one with pineapple and celery. These are, in fact, two ingredients recognized for their slimming and anti-inflammatory properties. Materials to prepare. The first is a cup of warm water 250 milliliters. The second is half a pineapple, because if a fruit is too much we will use it all. Third is a small handful of celery. The fourth is half a lemon. The fifth is 2 tablespoons of honey. Here are 5 ingredients you need for this recipe. How to proceed as follows. First, pineapples. After buying pineapples and clean the eyes on pineapple, you cut the pineapple into thin slices, so you can go grind it. Continue the celery you cut into small pieces. This is finely chopped pineapple and celery. After finishing the pineapple, you put pineapple in the blender and puree. Pineapple is a delicious tropical fruit that has become a popular ally for losing weight, not only because of its low-calorie intake, but also because it satiates and promotes the elimination of toxins retained in the body. Its flavor, between sweetness and acidity, goes very well with other ingredients and reduces the desire for sugar that usually appears at certain times of the day. It is a digestive enzyme called bromelain, which improves the digestion of proteins and facilitates their breakdown into amino acids. This substance is a natural anti-inflammatory that, at the same time, reduces swelling of the belly. It contains water, vitamin C and essential minerals that support the functions of the body's excretory organs to eliminate waste that prevents weight loss. This is the bowl of pineapple and celery water I have pureed. Next, squeeze lemon juice into bowl of juice. You put 2 tablespoons of prepared honey in the bowl. And finally you stir the ingredients together. Next, pour this juice into a cup, the rest I will put in the fridge and drink later. You should drink this cup of water every day when you are thirsty to change water. Celery is one of the vegetables that can be added to any diet. Low in calories, but rich in antioxidant compounds, it is an ingredient that promotes weight loss when supported by a healthy diet. Its high content of essential minerals helps maintain the balance of electrolytes. This prevents dehydration and energy loss. It provides light doses of dietary fiber, a nutrient that helps control cholesterol and food anxiety. Combine eating lots of green vegetables, drinking 2 liters of water a day and exercising sports to get the best results. Thank you for watching the video. If you find your video useful, or like it and share it with your friends to see it. Don't forget to press the channel registration button and notification bell to update your beauty tips every day.